Alright, looking at the offer guaranteed standard credit letters. Alright, attachment D, sample offer guarantee standard letter of credit, bank letterhead, irrevocable standby letter of credit date, U.S. Department of Energy, Strategic Petroleum Reserve, 900 Commencement Road East, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70123, attempt, Marquis Rourke. Amount of letter credit in U.S. dollars, contractor number, notice of sale number, offer number, letter credit number, expiration date, April 28, 2023, American Bankers Association number, to whom it may concern, we hereby establish U.S. Department of Energy favor a revocable standby letter of credit effective immediately with the account or a customer in response to the above U.S. Department of Energy notice of sale, included any amendments thereto, the sale of Strategic Petroleum Reserve Petroleum, including any amendments for the sale of Strategic Petroleum Reserve Petroleum. The letter of credit expires at least 60 calendar days after the day of set of the receipts officers. Letter of credit is available by your draft at site, drawn with accompanied by a manually signed statement. The signer authorized representative of the Department of Energy with the following statement. The drawing of a U.S. dollar against your letter of credit numbered blank, date blank, is due to the U.S. government because of the failure of the contractor to honor its offer to enter into a contract for the purchase of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve Petroleum from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve in accordance with the U.S. government. Notice of sale no includes any amendments thereto. Drafts must be presented in payment on or before expiration date of the letter of credit or bank. Government may multiply drafts against the letter of the credit. Against this letter of credit. Upon receipt of the U.S. Department of Energy demand by hand, mail, express delivery means or our office located at blank, we will honor the demand and make payment by 3 p.m. Eastern Time on the third business day of the following receipt with the demand by wire transfer funds as a deposit account in the U.S. Treasury over Fedwire Fund Services. The information included each of the transfer will be provided above reference notice of sale. Letter of credit is subject to the Uniform Custom Practice Documentary Credits 2007 revision, Interchamber of Commerce, publication number 600. Except this may be inconsistent with the Uniform Commercial Code in effect with the date of the issuance of this letter of credit in the state in which issuer's head office within the United States is located. We hereby agree with you all drafts drawn under and in compliance with the letter of credit will duly honored upon representation and delivery of the above documents for the payment at our bank before expiration. In the event of bankruptcy filing the applicant prior to expiration date of the letter of credit, the expiration date of the letter of credit automatically may be extended by 120 calendar days from the expiration date. Address all communication regarding the letter of credit to the name and the phone number. Very truly authorized signature, type, name, and title. Or attachment D, instruction to offer guarantee letter of credit. The depository institution must be account holder with the Federal Reserve banking permission to send Fed wires, must have Fedwire eligibility fund status of either eligible or eligible settlement only. 2 letters of credit must not vary substance from an attachment. Provide a copy of this attachment to your bank. Bank should fill in the blanks except those of the drawing statement. The drawing statement is bold in print. The information is included. Format to be used in a wire transfer noted in attachment B of the notice of sale. And 5, the type and title of the name under the authorization provided documentation authorized signature. Attachment D, request for offer guarantee returns. If you would like to have a letter cancellation returned to the Viva the email only with the cancellation offer or letter credit, please provide us below information. Send a signed authorization to cancel offer of the LOC to the following point of contact: Viva email address, contact phone number. Attachment E, sample payment, petroleum letter credit, bank letterhead, irrevocable standby letter credit. Date, 2, U.S. Department of Energy, Strategic Petroleum Reserve, 900 Commercial Road East, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70123. Attempt Mary Rourke. Amount of letter of credit, U.S. dollar, contract and contract number, letter of credit number, expiration date, American Bankers Association number. To whom it may concern, we hereby establish the United States Department of Energy favor irrevocable standby letter of credit effective immediately account with the customers above the contract U.S. Department of Energy for sale of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve Petroleum. Letter of credit is available through your draft site, drawn and accompanied by a manually signed statement. The signers authorized representative of the Department of Energy in one over both the following statements. Hey, this is drawn U.S. dollar amount against the letter of the credit number blank, dated blank, is due to the government because the government has delivered Strategic Petroleum Reserve under this term of the contract number blank, including any amendments thereto, and the contractor has not been paid under the terms of that contract. Being the drawings of U.S. dollars against your letter of credit number blank, date blank, is due to the government because the contractor has failed to take delivery of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve under the terms of the contract number blank, including any amendments thereto. Attachment E, draft must be presented for the payment on before expiration date letter of credit or bank. The government may make multiple drafts against the letter of credit upon receipt of the U.S. Department of Energy demand by hand, mail, express delivery, other means. Officer located blank will honor the demand and make payment by 3 p.m. Eastern Time, third business day following the receipt of the demand. Wire transfer funds deposited into the account of U.S. Treasury over the federally funded services. The information included each Treasury transfer was provided with the above reference contract. Letter of credit is subject to Uniform Custom and Practice Document Credits 2007 Revision Internal Chamber of Commerce Publication number 600, except as may be inconsistent therewith the Uniform Commercial Code effective the date of issuance of the letter of credit in the state with the issuer head office of the United States located. We hereby agree with all the drafts drawn with the compliance with the terms of the letter of the credit duly honored upon presentation delivery of the documents, payment, or bank or before expiration date. In the event of bankruptcy, filed with the application prior to the expiration date of the letter of credit, the expiration date letter of credit will automatically extend 120 calendar days from expiration date. Address all the communication regarding letter of credit to the name and the phone number. Verily, truly yours, authorized signature and type, name, title. Instruction for payment and performance of the guarantee or letter of credit. The deposit institution must account the holder Federal Reserve banking system with the permission to send Fed wires. Must have Fed wire eligibility fund status, either eligible settlement only. Letter of credit must not vary in substance from the attachment, which was copied of the attachment into your bank. The bank shall file the banks shall fill in the blanks except those drawing statements. The drawing statements are in bold print. For the information is included in format used to wire transfer, noted with attachment B of the notice of sales, and the type of the name and the title under the authorized signature provided the documentation authorized signature. Then it shows the Strategic Preserve nomination confirmation, Strategic Preserve, Florida Federal Petroleum Operation, New Orleans, schedule, quantity, quality number, scheduler and quantity number. Filling information must be provided. Submission date entered. Submission type. Original nomination. Contractor number. Contractor address. Contractor contact information. Primary office cell email. Alternate office cell email. CODRDD 250. Contractor signature. Designer. Signature, designer name or contract officer, personnel, third party inspection company chosen, control representative, off second cell, email. No multiple designers to be used. Please use the attach. Please list FFPDCOL at SPRDOE.gov with the nomination. Third party inspection, certain company information, company contact, and nomination information, delivery window, additional following pages, delivery window, pipe, vessel, total volume, million barrels, Strategic Petroleum Reserve, and destination. Following information to be provided with the Strategic Reserve operational personnel, technical information, terminal TBD, contacts and custody transfer TBD, quality point TBD, and quantity point TBD. Alright, this has been the notice of sale NS9623PO PO 20,000 instructions. Crude oil sales offer program. Alright, we'll read that after notice of sale. We'll cut this into 2 tapes.